Hey guys, Ramiz from Basant again. Today we're gonna make cheeseburgers. But the coolest thing about this video is not only that we're gonna make the cheeseburgers, I'm gonna show you how to make cheeseburger patties with the coolest trick in the world. So let's get started. Basant style. We're gonna need chopped meat. We're gonna need salt, pepper. I'm gonna cut the onions and we're gonna caramelize them with butter. I'm gonna show you, it's awesome. We're gonna need a little wax paper to separate the burgers from sticking, pepper jack cheese, extra large buns, and a large cap, and some saran wrap. With all of these things together, we're gonna make awesome burgers. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take our chopped meat and we're gonna cup it. This is about 7 ounces. So we make 2. I'm gonna make about 4 burgers. This part, now we just slide it over, and I'm gonna show you a cool trick to how to make perfect burger patties. Because to make a cool burger, the patty has to be hot. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do in the world. Okay, so you take a large cap. It could be any cap, about 1 inch deep, and you put it right in the middle of your cutting board. You take saran wrap, slide it out, about this much, and you cut it. About a piece this big, and you lay it right over the cap. Just like that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a little round, you put it right in the middle, and you put a little pressure from both hands, make sure it's spread out evenly. You press it, make sure there's no pockets, and with a firm hand, press it down, but you know, don't squish it. Look, and now what you do is you pull up from the end, voila. A perfect hamburger patty, Basant style. Okay guys, the patties are made, now it's time to season them. So we're gonna take our regular salt, just a little pinch, to taste. Because the cool thing about burgers is if you have less salt, you can add more after they're made. Little pepper. And the same on the other side. Just flip them over gently. They're made so nicely that they're not falling apart. Repeat the process on the other side. Just a little bit. And a little bit of pepper. So we got our pan nice and hot with a little bit of oil. And now we're gonna put our burgers right in the middle. You know, you don't have to grill them. They can go on the pan and they work great. So now we just do a gentle flip. Look at the perfect color on the burgers. So now we're gonna take the buns, put them on a baking pan, just split them, and add cheese. Totally up to you, but I wanna make pepper jack because little spice makes it more awesome. And Basant style. So ready to go in the oven so we can melt the cheese, and the burgers are ready. They're good medium. This is medium, medium, medium well, medium well. So we're gonna wait. By the time all the buns are ready and the condiments are ready, this is gonna be good to go. So we're gonna cut up some onion to caramelize them. So you put down a little butter, let it melt. You add the onions and the butter. You take a little sugar. You put it on to caramelize them. If you look at the color, gorgeous caramelization on it. Okay, now we're gonna plate the burgers. The cheese is nice and melted. Our burgers are ready. Okay, so if you come here, you see the burgers. Perfect color, consistency is gorgeous, the shape off the hook. Now we're gonna put it together, but before we do that, we're gonna use our chipotle aioli. Gives us a little zing to have that Basant style feeling. Now we dress our burger with lettuce. I like to use romaine lettuce because it has this little crunch fresh tomatoes, and our caramelized onions. Wow, if you could just smell it today, it is so delicious. Okay guys, I want you to look at them. They look gorgeous. Exactly what Basant makes, and this is what Basant style is. Let's finish it up. We're gonna put the tops on. And I like to add a little personal touch. Put a steak knife in. It's an 8-ounce burger. It's a steak. We add the condiments. Ketchup. Can't have burgers without it. Mustard. And we're gonna add a little chipotle aioli. Add our French fries. Waffle fries. We add a little dry parsley, my favorite condiment. Here you go, folks. This is as good as it gets. This is Basant. This is Basant style. It's huge, it's messy, it's awesome. This is the best burger you'll eat. It's tasty, its consistency is perfect. Most importantly, this is Basant style. I hope you guys like this video. Please remember to subscribe and make sure you give lots of thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. For the final test. This is Basant. This is Basant style. This is my burger. I hope you guys like my video, and remember to subscribe.